Hey, today we're going to make butter chicken with this great seasoning in the 3-quart Instant Pot pressure cooker. It's going to be so easy and quick. I think I'm going to set it for 5 minutes. Come on over, I'll show you how to do it. This is a PATAK'S butter chicken simmer sauce. Mild, with special seasonings. I think it's going to be good. And easy. And then I'm going to eat it right in front of you. Come here, I'll show you how to make it. So easy. You know, we have multiple sizes of pressure cookers, different brands. I'm going to put a little rack in the bottom. And I'm going to put some sauce down first. A little bit of sauce first. I'll show you then. You know what? I want to put the rack upside down. I just don't want the meat right directly on the metal. And I really didn't even need a rack. Don't talk back. This is 1 1/3 pounds of pieces of chicken. $7.85.
It's thin sliced chicken breasts.
Boneless.
So they're thin pieces.
And you picked it out, right?
Yes, I did.
You thought this would be good. I know this is good. It has like a kind of a curry Indian style flavor, but there's no curry in it, right?
There's a lot of spices. Paprika, garlic, ginger.
I like curry. I really do. See what they look like? Oh, look at that.
Okay,
yeah, we can make
nice.
sandwiches out of that or something. But I think we're going to have mashed potatoes and corn and make a real nice Flag Day supper. Oh, happy Flag Day. I forgot to say that. A little bit there in the middle. 5 minutes. You see. These are nice cutlets, aren't they? I would say they're cutlets. Would you?
I guess they could be called that.
I'm not going to stir this or anything, but I'm going to add a little splash of water to rinse this jar out for all the goodness. I wish you could smell that. So I'll put about a third of a jar of water.
That'll help it come up to pressure quicker.
Yeah, we
too.
always need water and liquid. Good luck. Oh, you wait till you see this. You know what? I just thought we could put pasta in here if we wanted to, which we had many recipes. We cook a lot. I have over 1,000 cooking videos, so don't be disappointed if you don't see me cooking food once in a while. Here we go. So easy. Put the lid on. Pressure level. How do you work this thing? Meat stew, 7 minutes. High pressure, 5 minutes. And there we go, start. So let me set the table, get our potatoes, mashed potatoes, and corn. Isn't this fun? Isn't it great? You gonna taste it with us? You wait. Oh, this one went into automatic pressure mode too. Then at the end we just push that button. Simplified. Instant Pot, but use whatever pressure cooker you have. Be right back. Listen to the sizzle. And I'm starting to smell it. It's going to come up to pressure. It's only been 3 or 4 minutes. But in that time, it's cooking as well. Then the flavors all get infused with the high pressure. It's going to pop any second. Hear it? Got quiet all of a sudden. It's going to start counting down. It smells so delicious. Can you smell it over there?
I can smell it real good. I can't wait to eat it.
Oh. 3 minutes. Can't wait. I'm going to do the fast release too. You can do slow release, natural release, but I'm too hungry for that. 1 minute. There it is. Okay. I hear you. Oh, should I open it? I'm going to let the pressure out. This one's easy. You just do this. Okay. Back in a minute. Smell that. So good. Alright, the pressure's all out. We're going to open it up. You want to look inside? You want to see it before me? You can. Oh, smell it. Take a piece. Oh, so tender, falling apart. All right, you want to put these on a couple plates? And I just thought, why don't we eat outside? Beautiful Flag Day, 80 degrees. You like that idea?
Yeah, I like the idea. Let's get it on the plate before they fall apart.
Yeah. Look. All right, you do that. I'll go out and set the table.
I'll be glad
Hang
to.
on, hang on. Oh man, I want to take a bite right now.
Okay, I'll get
I'll
our
be
plates
outside.
ready. Oh boy, look at that thick sauce.
See, I got the big flag up for Flag Day. Got the little flag back there. And there's our food. Oh, dig in. I'm ready. Are you ready? Let me get a seat. Is there room for me over there?
Come on over.
All right. I'm here. Oh, look at this delicious meal. Oh, look at it. Show me how tender it is.
Okay. I brought out the.
Heavy artillery.
Oh, look at that. You can cut it right off. You don't even need a knife. Oh, look at that.
So,
There's a close up for you.
I ruined a GoPro like that once. I dropped it in pasta sauce in a restaurant.
That's what
And I got it in the microphone. One GoPro.
Oh, yeah.
Food action cam. Me.
Oh, Rick.
Look what we got. That little amount of water I put, I throw it in the jar, shook it around, make some nice creamy sauce. Look, see?
Yeah.
Save
It is nice and
save
thick. It was perfectly done, too, when we opened the canister. Wow.
Wow.
Wow-wee. Good job.
It melts in my mouth.
This was one of those very easy recipes because we used sauce that was already, seasoned and delicious.
Corn, some of that sauce on the potatoes. We have butter there too. And you could have added salt and pepper, if it would make you cry without it. But there's a lot of seasoning in there, right? There's probably salt in the sauce. Some people cry over salt and pepper.
You just.
And we
Some
do cook
people-
a lot. I have over 1,000 cooking recipes.
Well,
I can't say it enough.
Some people try to reduce their sodium, which we do, for our health. So that's why we don't use a lot.
And spice is good enough. So how's everybody this week? How are you? Good? Oh, remember last week I told you about them Broncos I saw everywhere on the road, them Ford Broncos? We happened to be going by a car dealer on Sunday, and they're closed, and that's the best time to stop and look. Look at some of these. Cheapest one I found here is a 2-door, which is neat because it's small. That's $32,000.
Yeah.
They all got different little badges, which are stickers, and some are a little bit crooked, which bothered me. We looked at 10 of them because we're playing the lottery. See, since I started seeing them, they had this Bronco lottery. Win the Bronco of your choice. And then I saw a big orange one. Look at this. Raptor. Well, that'll be the one of my choice.
He climbed up the mountain to see it.
Yeah.
They had it up on rocks where, most people wouldn't go. He climbed up there, checked it out, and we checked out the price tag as well. Right?
Mm-hmm.
It was like $97,000, something like that.
But I said, if I win, the only way I'd buy one of them, really, even the 32,000 one, is if I won it on the lottery here. And then I saw another Raptor, and it was green. I think I'll take that one.
Oh, it's another place, yeah.
Because I won't stick out like a sore Bronco down the road, orange and black. That's really a target. But that green, you can kind of blend in.
Yeah, the orange one's not for everybody.
So we'll scratch them tickets off before we leave. We wanted to share this delicious recipe with you. So the meat was only like $7.43.
Yeah, it was thin sliced chicken breast, and I got them at ShopRite. And nice because we didn't even have to slice them, right?
You could have put that on a hamburger bun, right? 2 of these or something, with an onion or cheese or whatever you like. But this seasoning, it really is like a curry to me.
There's spices in it that are in curry mixtures, so that's why it tastes that way.
I thought curry was just curry. I don't know much about it.
I like it. I can taste the ginger a tiny bit too.
Oh, look at my friend here, Fred. Hi, Fred. We had to destroy the garden. We had to take the garden apart because we're making room to get our shed in here. So We gave some plants away, and I salvaged Fred here. He's gonna be happy. I'm gonna talk to him every day. I'll let you see when we get some tomatoes off of there.
Yeah, they're coming. There's flowers on there.
We set the garden up so good, but you know, with the truck coming to trim the tree and to deliver the shed, we had to move the garden.
It was
So we
right
decided-
in the middle of the pathway.
Oh, well,
That's okay.
yeah. Hopefully, we got some out back in flower boxes, some seasonings. What do you got back there? Herbs or whatever?
Oh yeah, I have like herbs like basil and sage and rosemary, thyme, all those oregano, lots of that.
So,
Yeah, we got lots of good spices, and they're growing good.
and we used to get squirrels up here. They would dig through all these plants we have. And we learned lately if you use coffee grounds in there, they won't bother. And they haven't came here. This has been here for a week, and squirrel didn't come up and dig in that dirt. And we did that alongside there. The stuff we transplanted from the garden.
Right, and it really works.
No squirrels, no deer, didn't bother it. I wish I've known that before.
Right.
I had the chainsaw out. You got a video of me with the chainsaw?
Yeah, I'll give you the clip.
Even though we got the tree guys coming, I cut some stuff.
When that chainsaw started up, I knew
I didn't believe it started.
he was going to be trimming every tree in the yard.
I didn't start that for 4 or 5 years. And I still have some gas and oil mixture in a certain gas can. I dumped the old gas out, which shouldn't have been in there anyway, in the chainsaw. Put new gas in, primed the bulb. 2 or 3 pulls, and it started. Don't believe it. So I used it for about an hour until the steam popped off, and I thought I was done for the day. So I was.
Well, we just needed to trim a few small.
Yeah, there was a big juicy bush on the side and some stumps that were there from
Yeah.
skinnier trees earlier. So let's try these tickets, alright? Which one do you want, the red one or the green one?
Oh, I want the red one.
See, yeah, this shows a picture of a Ford Bronco Wild Track. That's one of them models. They have a little sticker. And this one says Ford Bronco Badlands, see? And the Raptor, remember the Ford F-150 Raptor? Remember that? 70,000 when they came out. They're probably 90 now. Which one do you want?
Red, please. Thank you.
Good luck. And there's also a website where we can check and see how many prizes were won or are available yet. There's what, 20 Broncos? Yeah.
Yeah. There's,
Nobody won one yet.
Right. We feel that this is a ticket that has a good chance right now.
If you're in Pennsylvania, buy one of these. If I got a $97,000 Bronco, tax is probably going to be $10,000. You think? Tax and fees.
6%.
Yeah, I think I would just trade in my truck for that, you know, to cover that tax and fees.
Yeah, I don't know what the fees are, but
Outrageous. And I sat in one. Because when they first came out, I sat in one and I thought it was weird, but I sat in the newer one and I could bet you were in there too.
oh yeah, well there's different sizes for space inside, and
It's pretty neat. It's a real off-road thing and it's 4-wheel drive.
here we go.
But for free, just for me. Good luck, dear.
Thank you. Oh, sorry.
One more try here.
Sorry.
Well, I've saved them for a couple days just to share with you.
Well, while they're still in the status that they have a lot of Broncos left, we're going to keep getting
There's
a couple.
so many, I'm telling you. I told you last week. If I go out right now and drove down the road, in less than a minute, I'll see one. And I'll see one. And I'll see one. Constantly. I don't know why. What's the message? I think it's because I'm going to win one. Or one's going to run into me. That's either.
No, we're going to think positive here.
Okay, I'll go get 2 more tickets. You won 50 the other day on something. Is that a Bronco ticket? Yeah. Oh.
Yeah, nice. Well,
This is
yes,
good.
it's Flag Day, and hope you get to celebrate and have a picnic, but I also want to say Happy Father's Day
Oh,
to everybody.
yeah, happy Father's
Especially
Day.
you.
Thank you. Happy to be a father.
Yeah.
So proud. Okay, so,
Okay, so
thanks for eating with us again. Please like, share, and subscribe. check Kathy's channel. She has over 100,000 subscribers. Next week we might put the Friday video on her channel. Maybe. Either next week or the week after. And I'll come on Friday and I'll say, hey, our Friday video is on Kathy's channel this week. And then you can go see Kathy's channel and subscribe. She didn't get her plaque yet. I don't know why. After 100,000 subscribers, you should get a plaque. You know, a silver button or something, a play button. That'd be nice if you get that soon.
Yeah.
All right, thanks for watching. Try this in your pressure cooker, whatever type you have. It's really good. Maybe I can find a link to that sauce.
Oh yeah, I bet we can, because I see them every store that we go to.
I love curry flavor, and it doesn't even say curry on it, but it has that flavor. We're like Indian food. There's a restaurant up the road. It's called Clove.
That's a nice place to eat, Clove.
Talk to you soon. Thanks for watching. Bye. Conk. I missed them. There's even more of this in there, huh? I might make a sandwich after all. Maybe tomorrow for lunch.